How to buy advanced project token. So this token came under the symbol of AUC. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money reward on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as it goes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. Now this token, it will be listed on MEXC, so I will show you how to buy this token on MEXC. Now first of all, open your account on MEXC like that, as you can see. Now if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link on create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now after that, as you can see, in the search type AUC, the token name, and you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. After that, wait a few seconds to load this page. As you can see, this token, it will be live for trading about 5 hours from now, sorry. Now after that date, what you need to do is just click on limit, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will be able to pay over that USDT to your account, and click on buy AUC. Now if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much of percentage that you want to use of the USDT on your account in order to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy AUC token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.